to slope-intercept form. Standard form, remember, is capital AX plus capital BY equals to C, and it's in green. Slope-intercept form, that's in yellow, and y equal to mx plus b, which is the equation of a line, is in red. So we're going to change from standard form to slope-intercept form. I'm going to show you the way that your teachers are probably going to teach you, and then we're going to show you the Kenneth Everett Math Revolution, no pencil, no paper, no calculator way, because we write it on your brain before you write it on your paper, and we train your eyes to do algebra. So we're going to do two problems at the same time. First thing we're going to do, we're going to write y equals to mx plus b over both problems, but notice we are lining up the equal signs. Okay. Next, remember the red circle that we talked about at the beginning? It's going to always go around the y. Then we're going to take and do the blue circle, which remember it always goes around the x. The red circle, which is whatever's in front of the y, means you divide by. The blue means you just move it to the other side and change the operation. If it's positive, you move it across, it's negative. If it's negative, you move it across the equal sign, it's positive. So we're going to bring down the 3y. We're going to bring down the negative 2y, just like we brought down the negative 3y. Then we're going to take that blue circle with that positive 2 and move it to the other side, and it becomes negative 2. Then we're just going to bring down our minus 6. The next problem, number 2, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to take that 2, positive 2, take it across the equal sign. Now it becomes a negative 2. Okay, it's in blue. Bring down the 8. Then, once we do that, we're going to divide by, remember, what's in front of the y? Because we want it to be y equals to mx plus b, the only thing that's keeping it from being just y by itself is a negative 3. On the other side, it's a negative 2. So we're going to divide by negative 3 and by negative 2. Okay, remember it was in the red. The red is what you divided by. So now we're going to end up with y equals to 2/3 x plus 2 and y equals to 1x minus 4. Well, how do we get that? Negative 3 divided negative 3 is 1, so we get 1y. It's understood to be a 1 in front of the y. Negative divided negative is a positive, so we get to 2/3 x. And then a negative 3 goes into a negative 6 2 times, because a negative divides a negative is a positive. That's how we got the plus 2. Then we get problem number 2. We have negative 2 divided by negative 2, which is a positive y. So we have 1y. We just don't write the y because it's understood to be there. Then we got a negative 2 divided by negative 2, which is a positive 1x. And then what's next is divide negative 2 and 8 gives us a negative 4. This is the way your teacher may show you how to do it.